Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. First, I would like to thank everyone who gave me a super gift and for sponsoring me. I would like to thank, before I start, I would like to thank Mr. Freddy, Colleen, and Demand. I would like to thank you everyone for giving me this gift, and thank you so much from all of my heart. So for today, I would like to open this gift and I would like to share you all how this look like, and I won't make this long. Let's go. So here it is, the gift, and we're gonna have a opening gift today. So let's see how this looks like. Anyway, thank you to Marshall also for giving me a super thanks, and for get things also. So thank you also for both of you, and to all my subscribers who's watching my videos. Thank you so much also everyone, so I don't forget the others. So let's open this gift. So here it is. So here it is. And let's okay. Are you excited? You are 15 centimeter high heels that I ever got since I was a content creator. So this is the first highest heels that I ever had. So let's try it. How this would fit me, I don't know, but we will see when I wear it. So let me get the other one. So here it is, another one. Oh, there is an extra for the heels, the bottom, so that when it gets broken, then you can change it. So let's try this on, because first I will show you that how this look. Inside it's a pretty thin lining. It's really thin, and as you can see here, and is the heels. It's like, and he's on the back. So let's try it so we can see how this would be fit me. actually this is a vegan leather, so it's very soft. This is really soft. It's not like hard like the brown one that I have and the red one, but that's lower, like 14 centimeters. So this is 15 centimeter high. So let's see how this would be fits me. If this fits good or not, I don't know. But it feels like really comfortable. And it's softer than the brown one that I have. This is soft like the one black Garo that I have, but there is no platform. It's no platform, so there it is. I mean, it's not so. I mean, it's fit into my legs, but it's not that tight like the brown one that I have. So seems like, yeah. So this is the highest boots that I ever had in my life. So let's style it. Also, let's put some belt on it, and so there is it. And let's try with the gloves. So it will look nicer. And let's see how this would be finished. I think this would be a beautiful finished look. As you can see, here you are. So how does it look? Please let me know to the comment below. It's pretty high. I think really, really high. And I feel like I'm flying. I don't know, but it feels like that because when you are wearing, it's a little bit bigger. I think I'm size 36, but they don't have a 36. Well, as you can see, it's a little bit wrinkled in here because it's, I don't know, it's not the thick lining than the brown one that I got before. This is a little bit bigger. Maybe I need a 36, but they don't have a 36 size, so I got 37. So there it is. So here it is. It's really beautiful boots, but you must be careful where you are walking because otherwise you might fall in one hole from the road and then you just finish your legs. Otherwise, it's really nice. It's comfortable, not that hard lining. You can bend your legs. You can even run if you can run. if you can run. I think I don't know. I can run a little. I'm just kidding. I just like to joke a bit. So, I mean, you can run with this if you know how to run with the heels. So, um, it's very comfortable. The brown is really beautiful also, but about you can bend your knees with this one. Maybe that's why this is more comfortable, because it's really the elastic of the lining. It's elastic, so that's why if you like to have these boots, I will put down the address below the description of this video, so you can also check out. So how does it look? I really feel like I'm flying. So let me see. But if you will sit somewhere, don't sit on the really low chair, because the heels doesn't, I mean, you have to put down your legs more, because your legs will be higher. So anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I hope you like this video for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you all in my next video. So please don't forget to give a like and subscribe.